How do you export an FBX file from Maya and embed all the textures? Here I have this green spacesuit character and it has diffuse textures, normal maps, roughness maps, and metallic maps. And they're all using the OpenPBR shader by Autodesk. I want to export this as an FBX from Maya and I want to embed all the texture information. It's very easy to export an FBX from Maya with embedded textures. Select the object, then go to File, Export Selection, and click this box. Make sure you include the texture info, then click Export Selection. There's one more step to make sure the textures are embedded in your FBX. Scroll down, and where it says Embed Media, click Embed Media. This way, Maya will embed the textures in the FBX. Give it a label, green spacesuit embedded, and then export your selection. Now you can import that into other programs such as Mixamo or Blender, and all the textures will be embedded in one file. Hopefully you're able to embed textures in FBX exports from Maya. Happy 3D modeling!